This one also has the baffle in it where the smoke and heat comes out around the baffle, and you can put whatever in there you want. Use it as a drip pan. And again, your smoke and your heat comes out of these 3 holes. I just put 1 gauge on this one. When we tested it with 2 gauges, it was even, so I just put 1 gauge right in the middle of it. If the customer wants 2 gauges, I can put 2 gauges on it. It's got a heavy duty hinge on the hood. And the hood is removable.